What we know so far is that the 991 is very, very fast. But how will it be on a Nordschleife compared to my GT3 RS? Let's find out. Oh, we start at the tourist entrance and we are already on 220 in the compression. It has electrical steering, but you have a good feeling to the road, so that's not a problem. And there is something totally new. I've never heard about something like that in a car, maybe on a dirt vehicle. It has a separate steering in the back. Sounds dangerous, but it works. I think I can't keep up even with my roll cage and my KW suspension because it has so much power and the pedal shift saves so much time. When I see now down the Fuchsröhre, the speed, yeah, and the compression, I'm a little bit quicker with my car, but I know my car quite well. But I think at the end this one is faster. Shame. Yeah, and our force. Good traction. Very good traction. Yee, downhill the triple right. 180 and on the brakes. Now we have a very tight corner here. The turning is very good. Woohoo! Sound is good as well. Now we go down to PORCHE. Hard on the brakes. Yeah, it's a little bit too soft. You feel it on the brakes and it's swimming around a bit. But here on this, especially on this uphill section, it's just goes. Ching! Point, I have the same speed in my car. You can feel it that it's really heavier. That's because my taxi I have always passenger. I never drive it by myself, so I have the passenger weight on top, and this car still feels heavier. And it is 60 kg heavier than my car. Now we have carousel! So you need a good bra in the carousel. So now we come into PORCHE. Yoo-hoo! Hello! It's me! Different car, sorry! Let's see what the top speed says. Oh, I think we lift off. And it's so noisy. I'm a girl. Maybe I press the exhaust button. So, woo. Wow. I lift off here because I have no clue how it will go on these bumps. I don't trust the car in the first lap so much. So, but the top speed was not far away from the 300. So, girls and boys, if you like an easy car, which is not too expensive, but you can drive it nearly every day, then this is a good choice. Talk to your bank and buy a new GT3 991. Ciao.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
So what do you think?
It has power, it's amazing. The gear shift, you know, just boom, boom, boom. It's like a rocket.